Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. In the last video, I promised you guys I would show how to make this shape at the end of the string. In Cantonese, it's called phong mei git. The English translation is the phoenix tail knot. But it doesn't look like the phoenix tail at all, right? So if you know the term, please let me know in the comment section. Before you do it with the bracelet or the necklace, I suggest you practice with a thicker rope. It would be easier to make it when you are familiar with the movement. Okay, let's make a small circle first. And then this rope goes through here. And again, the same rope goes through here. And again, repeat the same movement. You will find that this rope actually wraps around this circle. And it becomes like this. And then we pull this rope adjust a little bit. The next step, we cut this rope, but don't cut it all. Leave it a little bit to burn with the lighter. And then press. And it's done. It's easy, right? Practice more, I'm sure you can make it. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.